Hello mga amigos. Have a beautiful sunny afternoon here in Barangay Monbon, Palapag, Northern Samar. This is the white beach of Barangay Monbon, Palapag, Northern Samar. Here now, the sunny tropical afternoon right here in the beach of Barangay Monbon, and that horizon represents the Pacific Ocean onwards. Okay. And there, the hump over there is the peak of the Barangay Binay Mount, Barangay Binay Island. This is the tropical Monbon beach of Palapag. And this is your host, Ed Verano. Waray TV. Excuse me. Yan ang east side of the Barangay Monbon. Then we're now cruising the horizon. Wow, relaxing, so meditating the horizon of the Pacific Ocean. This is the wide-ranging white beach of Barangay Monbon, Palapag. Okay, stress, go away, come back another day. And the relaxing mood comes always every day. Again, please subscribe my channel. This is Ed Verano, your host. Thank you guys, and please don't forget to subscribe.